Hey guys, Frost here. I'm back. I know it's been a while since my last YouTube sharing. Anyway, I have something special for you guys today. Look at this. I just received this baby blue PR gift box from Fresh Beauty. Let's unbox it together. Look at this. This is so lovely. There's a little tag and with my name written, and there's a love shape here. So are you guys ready for the unboxing? Okay, here we go. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Right. I'm excited. What is inside the box? Okay. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Okay, there's a little card. Hi Frost, welcome to Fresh Family. At Fresh, we create beauty products that perform with experiences that transform. It's a journey in every jar. Our products are safe, effective, and sensorial. This is our promise to you, a promise we have kept since 1991. We have included in this welcome kit some of our best-selling fresh favorites for you to kickstart your fresh journey with us. We hope you enjoyed these self-care treats from us. Can't wait for you to try and review them. Whether it's an addition to your shelfie or a newly discovered holy grail, let us know what you think. Love your Fresh Family. Sky is the limit. I love this. So lovely. Thank you so much, Fresh Family. It's super lovely. Oh my god. I love it. I love it. Yeah, look at this pamphlet. It's so lovely, like sky blue color. You guys don't know that I've been eyeing on some of this Fresh beauty products for a long time. These are some of the star products from Fresh, and I've tried this rose face mask before and I love it, and I'm so happy. Anything other than happy. I'm a kind of I think you guys have been following me sometimes, and you know that I actually really love skincare, and I have done a lot of research about Fresh Beauty actually. Hey guys, let me introduce these star products to you guys one by one. So product number 1, we have this soy face cleanser. Okay, yeah, I see a lot of my friends review about it and I'm going to try it soon, guys. And yes, next we have this Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. These are all the real rose petals, I love it. And next we have this Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. Yes. Oh my god. I'm so happy. Like, you guys made my day. Like, love it. Oh yeah, this is another star product I've been thinking about of getting it for myself. This is the Vitamin Nectar Face Serum. Love it. What else? Yeah, the rose face mask, of course. I'm going to start trying all of these products, and I will share the review on IG feed. Yeah, stay tuned for that. And this is the Advanced Therapy Sugar Lip Treatment. Yep. Oh god, I love it. Okay, so that's pretty much for today. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the review. I'll see you guys in my next sharing. Bye!